Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. This saves time and avoids errors. Put your Quest 2 on, wake it, and sign into the headset if prompted. On your iPhone, open the Meta/Oculus app and allow Bluetooth. This app negotiates the connection. Once done, follow the app's prompt to pair a new headset, select Quest 2. Make sure both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi network and keep the headset open to pairing. You'll see a PIN to confirm in the next step. You now complete the handshake by confirming the PIN in the app. This prevents accidental pairing. After PIN confirmation, the app asks for permissions. Grant microphone for voice chat, camera or local network for casting, and allow notifications if you want alerts. These permissions let the phone act as a controller and stream destination. If the app requests a firmware update, run it now. Updates resolve compatibility gaps. Make sure to keep Bluetooth, and you finish by initiating casting. Open the headset's sharing menu, choose Cast, and pick your iPhone via the app. Test audio and controller input immediately so you can adjust volume or rebind buttons. If video stutters, move devices closer to the router or use 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower latency. If the connection fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and reinstall the Meta/Oculus app. That one troubleshooting step often fixes pairing conflicts and stale network states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.